everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Poshmark account. If you're looking for a way to delete your Poshmark account, then here is how you can easily do it. Get started by open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in Poshmark.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you are logged into your account as well. After you're inside the main home page of your account, click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Account Settings. This will then open up your Account Settings tab. From the left hand side menu, scroll down and click on the Manage Account Status option. Now, you'll be able to see this Delete My Account option displayed under Manage Account Status. If you are looking for a way to delete your Poshmark account and you continue with deleting your account, you will no longer have access to the account and all of its information will be permanently deleted as well. So to continue deleting, click on Delete My Account. You'll now need to verify your email address. So go ahead and enter the verification code sent to you via email. Open up a new tab and log into your email service inbox. Once you're signed into your email inbox, look for a verification code from Poshmark. Click it open and then copy your verification code. Get back to your verification text box and paste in the code. Now click on Done and then select a region while you're trying to delete your account from the drop-down. After you are done with the selection, click on Delete My Account, and that way you should be able to delete your Poshmark account right away. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.